Hey guys, today we're going to make a filler building. Going to walk you through the process from beginning to end. OpenSim is pretty vast and we're able to afford a lot of land here. So it makes sense that not every building that we make you're going to be able to enter. Some of it's just scenery. And since I am in a New York state of mind building this new sim, we're going to make a grungy New York City filler building. Let's get started. The first thing we do, we locate our images. I found these two online, and these are the two storefront images we're going to use today. And you can locate those on the Cool School Discord channel in the filler building tab. The next thing we're going to do is locate a building top for our building. And I can't stress this enough, if you're doing a geolocated build, Google Earth is your friend. You can get images of storefronts and accurate, but today we just want this building top here. And I'm going to take a screenshot of it and save that to my computer. So now next we're going to photop.com. Photop.com is a free photo program and is very similar to Photoshop. We need to prep our images for 3D modeling. So the first thing we're going to prep is the building top. So I'm going to do File, New, and we're going to create a building at the height of 1024, and I guess we'll do like 800 width, and we'll create. Now we're going to bring in our building topper to place over this template. File, open in place, and there's our screenshot of the building we took from Google Earth. I want you to come to the left-hand side toolbar, and we're going to grab the polygonal lasso. So click on that, and we're going to trace the part of the building that we want to keep. So I want to cut off the cornice of the building. We don't need that. So click, 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 and then meet it up. And you can see that's selected. Edit, copy, edit, paste. Come over to the right to your layers panel, and you can see there are different layers in this project. We're going to hide that original image, and now we're just showing the cutout version of our filler building, but the perspective is off. The perspective is off, so we want to go up to Edit, Transform, Distort. I'm going to start by moving this down to a corner, and then bringing this corner all the way up to there, this corner up to here, this corner down here. If you hold down your middle mouse wheel, you can pan your image. It's going to take a couple of tries to get it right, but this will put that building into a better perspective. So now we're looking at it straight on. Okay, let's save it. File, export as PNG, and save it to your Cool School folder. Next, we want to prep the first storefront image. So File, Open, and locate your first storefront image. And here we've got a lovely New York City bodega. So we want to get rid of all of this excess stuff off the edges here. So again, we're going to come to the left-hand side to the toolbar and select our polygonal lasso. And we're going to trace out just the rectangle main part of this building. I'm going to start down here because this looks, well, maybe I'll start here. And just click at every corner until it's selected. Come up to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and now to the right to our Layers panel and hide the original back layer. And now we're going to Edit, Transform, and we're going to do the scale. And now we're going to go up to Edit, Transform, Distort. Move our image into one corner. And distort it into a better perspective. Okay. Now we're going to save this image. File, export as PNG, and save to your computer. Now we're going to do the last storefront. So File, Open, and locate our last storefront. We're going to go to the left of the screen, select our polygonal lasso tool, and trace out this whole building. Edit, copy, edit, paste. Layers panel, hide the background image. Make sure that this front image is selected. Let's go to our arrow key. Bring that image into the corner. Edit, transform, distort. And let's get that into a better perspective. Perfect. And now save to your computer.